Folks, greetings. Hope you are doing pretty good. I am doing this voiceover on behalf of Shanti Kumar V. You can search this name on the internet to see his profile, blogs and videos. He is a 3 decades global IT experienced professional. In his past regular jobs he built many projects teams from the level of fresher to the experienced people towards the client satisfaction. This made him to take this path to build the teams in the current market. He coaches the IT professionals for project-level activities implementation with right methodologies. Currently, he is building the teams on Cloud.com DevOps projects with delivery-level skills. These are the hot skills in the global IT market. And as per the market research organizations, it was found in future a lot of skills dryness or lack of professionals is going to be there for global IT. I hope you understand the demand of these skills by now, and what kind of coach or mentor you get here. Now, please let us start our questions here. How to get into the shoes of Cloud.com DevOps architecting role for higher CTC in global IT? 1. Do you feel you need to upgrade into Cloud/DevOps roles which can pay higher CTC with millions of positions? 2. Are you not able to catch up the speed of your Cloud and DevOps projects' delivery schedules? 3. Do you feel lack of domain knowledge in understanding the cloud conversion planning and design activities? 4. Do you have your IT second innings plan into these roles to learn and prove in the IT world to sustain? 5. Are you looking for a global higher CTC with these competent roles? 6. Are you capable of investing your time and money for your future ROI acceleration? 7. Do you desire pink slips should not be in your IT profession life cycle? 8. Do you feel the IT recruiters should run behind you for your capabilities and matured skills? 9. Are you prepared with your mind to invest money and time for your future IT job streams? 10. Will you get support of your people to perform these and prove yourself? Final note. Replan for rebuilding your IT career. Now onwards, every IT professional is mandated to keep some budget for skills upgrade also due to the drastic technology change, and reducing the IT staff for cost savings. This is going to be an ongoing process. We also cannot catch up the technology, as an individual. Need to take support for rebuilding the career in this accelerated competent IT world through the experienced job-oriented skills coacher, mentor and project-level IT resources builders. I appreciate you on watching this video. Looking forward for your strategic IT career decision made news ASAP. You can connect with him for solutions, on LinkedIn. www.linkedin.com/in/summary practices. When you search his name on the internet also you will get the public profile. Good luck in your IT career ladder climbing journey.